Hey guys, welcome to AndroGuider. So in this video we are going to review the TeslaOS ROM. So as you can see that this ROM is based on Android Marshmallow 6.2.1. It also packs in the June 1 security patch. This is TeslaOS 3.9, and the build date is 10th of July, and the stock kernel is at enforcing by default. And as you can see that this ROM is based on CyanogenMod Mod 2. So first of all, I will just cover up the quick setting tiles which we get. So these are the tiles which are enabled by default, and these are tiles which you can add on. And if you want to show the weather in the extended notification header region, then you can just check this option in, and if you want to show the brightness slider too, then you can enable this option. And if you want to enlarge the first row tri-state location, then that's completely up to you. And in the end we have the reset to default layout, and if you just want to do that, just press on reset and you will go back to the default layout. Then most of the settings are present under the Tesla settings option. So first of all, we have the lock screen settings. So from here you can customize the middle screen and the bottom corner lock screen shortcuts. Then you can also customize the colors of the owner info, alarm, clock, and the date on the lock screen. Then if you want to just to reset the colors back to their original layout, then you can just press that, and all of them would turn back to white then. And then we also do get double tap to sleep on the lock screen, and if you want to have a different wallpaper on the lock screen, rather a different which is different than the one which you are using in your launcher, then you can set a different wallpaper for the lock screen from here. Then we have the status bar settings. So at top we have the traffic indicators. So either you can show the outgoing traffic or the incoming traffic, or both of them. Then you can customize its color to display unit. We have the update interval then, and if you want to auto hide the arrows when there is no data exchange going on, then you can do that too. And in the end we have the inactivity threshold. Then if you want to have a custom header image pack in, then you can do that too, and I believe that this is the random nature's image pack, but I'm not sure though. Then we have the carrier label settings. So from here you can customize the location of the carrier label. Either it can be shown on your lock screen or on the status bar or on both of them. And then you can also customize its color. Then next up we have the navigation bar settings. So we do get double tap to sleep on the navigation bar. Then we have the slim recents, so you can have a look at the options which we get. So we have only show running apps, max allowed apps, expanded mode, show on the left edge, show topmost task, size. These are the options which we have. Panel background color, card background color, and the card text color. Then we have the slim dim. So you can this will allow you to dim the navigation bar after a certain amount of inactivity. And then if you want, you can listen for touches on the entire screen too. So you do get time mode before dimming, dim alpha, and the dim animation in, and also the animation duration. Then next up we have the we already did that. Then we have the animation control. So first of all we have the toast animations, and these are the options which you get. Then we have the list view animations, and these are the options which we get again. Then we have the system animations, and we also have the 3-finger gesture, which I will quickly show it to you. So when I just swipe down 3 fingers, it took a screenshot. And then we have this system animations. So we have activity open, activity close, task open, task close, move to front, move to back, wallpaper open, wallpaper close, wallpaper intra open, wallpaper intra close. So as I have also mentioned in my previous videos, all of them have the same options. So I will let you have a look at the options for one of these animations, so you can have a look at them. Then you can also we also get the wake lock blocker in, and if you want to disable force close notifications, then you can also do that. And we also get gesture anywhere. So using gesture anywhere, so this turquoise colored region is a colored region, and I just need to, so say if I want to launch an application, say the clock, using by drawing a gesture. So say if I want to launch the clock application whenever I draw the letter C. So whenever I just touch on that trigger region and I draw a C, the clock will automatically open up. So that's what gesture anywhere is all about. Then under sounds, these are the options which we get in other sounds. And then next up we have the uh, display and light settings. So we have brightness level, adaptive brightness, live display, rotation settings, double tap to sleep, sleep timeout, wake on plug, LCD density, then you also have the show search bar in recents menu option in here. Next up we have the lock screen settings. So you can adjust the lock screen type, live lock screen message, display music visualizers, and again if you want to change the lock screen wallpaper, then this option is present in here too. And if you want to show the weather on the lock screen, then you can do that from here, and wallpaper in the end. So you can just configure any wallpaper you want to from here too. So we have the option to change the lock screen wallpaper 3 times. So it shouldn't be hard to find now. Then next up we have the button settings. I don't know, but that is giving me a force close, I believe, because I had turned on disable force close notifications. So maybe it is a force close. Okay, so again I will have to take a logcat and get back to the developers regarding this. So I'll just ensure that. Then next up we have the battery settings, and again this is giving me a force close. I just don't know why that is happening. Okay, it still gave me a forceful when I just pressed on the battery icon from the notification header. But anyways, let's move on to the security settings. So the unknown sources option is checked in by default. So if you are planning to sideload any app, then you can easily do that. Then we have the status bar settings. So from in here you can show or hide whichever icons you want to show in the whichever icons you want to show or hide in the status bar. So say at the moment the Wi-Fi icon is being shown in the status bar, and when I just check that off, it disappears, and when I will check that back in, it reappears. Then you can adjust the position of the clock, right, center or left. Then we have the AM/PM style. I'll just quickly show them to you. You can see the changes in the top right corner of the screen. This is the normal one, this is the small one, and by default it is hidden. Then similarly we can adjust the battery status style, and these are options which we have. You can show the battery percentage inside the icon, next to the icon, or just hide it. Then we have the brightness control, show notification count, and quick pull down. Then under privacy we do get privacy guard, blocked caller list, and protected apps. You can just ignore this. Again, I don't know why this option was present in there. Then from locations, I don't think that we do have anything else, and developer options are not enabled by default, so you need to tap on the build number 7 times to do that. So we have the advanced reboot is present in here, root access is enabled by default, and just click on OK. And then Android debugging is also disabled by default, so if you want to be on a safer side of things, then I will definitely recommend you to enable that. And then the multi-window mode is also present in just below the animation settings, and at the bottom we have the kill app back button. So as this ROM is based on CM13, we get the stock CM13 launcher in, and I have made a separate videos for covering up the how you can customize the stock CM13 launcher to get the desired output you want to. I will put a link down below in the description for that. And then if you want to have a look at the wallpapers which we get in with the ROM, then these are the wallpapers which we get. So they have definitely made a great number of add-ons in. And for live wallpapers we have the black holes one, bubbles, holo spiral, and the phase beam one. So great number of wallpapers to choose from in here. And talk about widgets now. We do have the Tesla clock widget, I suppose, and but I don't know why, but they're not allowing me to. So this is the TeslaOS clock widget. So this is the widget which is specific to the ROM, and it's a beautiful colored layout widget, which is this according to the time of the day too. So it's great to see that. Then we also do get power control, through which you can quickly toggle on and off the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane mode, sync, and adaptive brightness. And these are the apps which we have. We do get audio FX, stock CM13 browser, file manager, Apollo music player, screencast, sound recorder, and I just installed UCMini. I'll just uninstall that. So that's all. What I think I have covered up everything now. Okay, so there were a few force clauses though, and I'll just make it a point to get back to the developer regarding that. And you might not even experience them. So this was the first official build out there, and it might consist of some bugs, but as I told you, I will go to the G Plus community and take a log cat and report it back to the developers out there. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will catch you guys in the next one. And if you like this video, then do hit the thumbs up button, and if you want to watch more videos from my end, then do hit the subscribe button too. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a nice day.